About to build a new Wix website? Why not find some inspiration from the best? While we usually recommend looking at the Wix templates to get ideas, this time I want to suggest some reverse engineering. Have you seen the Wix Explore page? Let's have a look together. See all of these beautiful websites? They were all created by Wix users. Each day, Wix selects an outstanding website and features it here as the Wix of the day. If you continue scrolling down the page, you will find tons more beautiful websites created by Wix users. The bonus? You can easily see which template was used to create each site. If you see something you really like, a feature, a widget, an app, some great transition or animation, you can probably use it on your website as well. The drop-down menu on the bottom of the Explore page allows you to choose categories, so you can find inspiration from sites that are most relevant for you and your business. Like what you see? One click on the Try Me button and you can start creating your own website from the same template. Completed designing your website and think it's a work of art? Send the URL to Wix of the Day at wix.com and it just might get featured.